To create a quote, we're going to start from the opportunity record, then navigate down to the quote subpanel and click the plus sign icon to open the new quote page. This record view is divided into a basic information, which is in the business card, billing and shipping information, quote settings, show more, and then the quotes worksheet. The quotes worksheet is where we're going to add the TK1000 desktop unit product. They want 57 units, and we're going to give them a 5% discount. Once we save the quote, we can open it back up and view the quote PDF by using the action menu by the Edit button. When we open the PDF, it opens in a new browser window, and we can see the product that we've added from the product catalog and the subtotals and grand totals.